morning, children. Happy morning, ma'am. So we were seeing about the simple machines. So machines are nothing but are the equipments which will make our work very easy. Okay, the effort that we put in will be multiplied. That is what we saw in the last class. Okay. So first simple machine that we are going to see is wheel and axle. What is that?
Wheel and
axle. Okay. So what is this simple machine and how are we going to use it in our daily life? We are going to see. It consists of two parts called as the wheel and axle. Axle is nothing but if you take a car or something, there will be a rod that connects the two wheels. Yes. So this part is the wheel. Okay. This part is the wheel. Okay, what is this part called?
Wheel.
Wheel. That is the rotating part. Okay, it will be rotating. And the middle part that connects, that is called as the axle. What do you call?
Axle.
Axle. Okay, so this is going to make our work easy. Okay, so we are going to apply force. We need force to be applied to make anything to work. Yes. If I have to lift this pencil, I have to apply a force so that I will be able to lift this pencil. If I have to push this, I have to apply force. Okay. And machines, simple machines are nothing but that will amplify our force. Okay. Instead of giving a very great force to push, simple push that will be amplified by the simple machine. Okay. Amplification is nothing but making it 2 or 3 times or 10 times that much of that force multiplied. Okay, it will become that much strength. Okay, if I have to pull this, okay, I'm going to pull this table. This is a little bit heavier. If I apply a little bit force, it comes. Okay, there is no wheel attached here. If I have a wheel, okay, I can push it very easily. Instead of giving so much of force, very less force will be enough for that to push. Have you all seen the wheelchair? When you go to the lab, we have the wheelchairs, right? It will help us to move easily, right? Imagine that you are sitting in the normal chair and moving. How much force you have to give? You have to give a more amount of force, okay? But when you use a wheelchair, okay, it will be making that force that you apply to amplify. Navaneeshwaran, please listen to the class, Kana. Yes, so it will help us to amplify, okay? For example, if you take wheel and axle, where and all we are using this wheel and axle is when you take, how did you come to school today? How do you, by walking or? Auto. How many wheels are there for the auto?
3.
3 wheels are there, yes. So when you take that wheel, is it easy to push you as such without the wheels or with the wheels? With the wheels. Okay, we give a push, yes. So when you take, for example, I've got a toy car here. Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wheels are here. It is a truck. Okay. It is a toy truck where we have this, and the portion that is the rod-like thing that is joining on, that is the axle. So if I am going to, for example, I imagine this also as the same truck. And this is the truck, normal truck, and this is the truck without the wheels. Okay, if I have to glide this, okay, that is, imagine this as the road. If I am going to push this, it is very difficult. Okay, but if I have a wheel here, just a small push will accelerate it. Okay, the force will be accelerated by means of this simple machine, wheel and axle. Okay, so we use it for the vehicles, right? We use it for the vehicles, and where else you can see the wheels? Any example anyone can give? Yes?
Mom, in the trolley of shopping.
Yeah, when you go to a mall or you're going to a shopping complex, you want to take many things from the shelf. Okay, can you carry it all the way? No. It will be heavier. So in order to make your work easy, we put it in the trolley. And a little bit of push if you give, the trolley will help us to take it to other places in the different shape, and finally you come and build it up and come. Yes, instead of carrying that all the way. Yes, where you can see. Huh? Wheelchair, yes. Yes, wheelchair now, just now we saw. Yes, you can just sit in your place and just move around your room and take the things very easily. Yes? Yes?
Structure.
Huh? Stretcher. Okay, in the hospitals and all, we take the patients, right? We take the stretcher. Yes, Hannah?
Suitcase and skating shoe.
Suitcases and?
Skating shoe.
Suitcase. When you go for a long journey, you pull the suitcase and go, right? The trolley bag you have. Yes? So the weight also will be reduced and you can just roll it and go. Yes? Then one more. Yes?
Washing machine they have.
The trolley is under the washing machine or the fridge, so that, or even the cylinders. Yes? We can push that weight very easily. Move that. Yes?
Shopping cart.
Shopping?
Cart.
Shopping cart, yes. The shopping cart.
And
Now,
things, they use the things, heavy things to move the, they use something to move.
that is called as what? That is called as wheelbarrow. That is called as a wheelbarrow. That is a shallow thing will be there. You can put, when you see the construction sites, mansions and all, nations and all will be using to carry the bricks or the sand. It will be like a trolley and a wheel will be attached.
Yeah, stairs.
Stairs. Stairs is also wheel. Okay. It's a pull. It will come under the simple machine. Yes. Skating shoes. Yes. So like this we have various applications for wheel and axle. Okay. Yes. So what happens is the weight will be reduced and also the moving force that you give, the force that is applied to move it will be lesser. Okay. So that you can easily move the things. This is about the wheel and axle. For example, in some cases there will be only one wheel. In other cases there will be more wheels. Okay. So did you all understand about the wheel and axle, children? Yes. Next, we'll see about some other simple machine in tomorrow's class. Yes, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.